The earth and the human body is a timepiece. Get to know a deeper understanding of time with horologist Richardson. Let me introduce myself. I'm what you call a horologist or watchmaker. So horology means a study of time, the science of time measurement. So basically my job is to create, manufacture, or repair mechanical timepieces. So as years of working with watch timepieces or mechanical movements, the whole idea is that we get our time from the movement of the moon and the sun. When I was taught mechanical watchmaking, we're basically just mimicking the moon and the sun. But when I was taught, they said it was mimicking the rotation of the earth. But as I grew in mechanical watchmaking and horology, I realized that the earth is actually not moving. So we want to give some attention to a little bit about what they're calling flat earth from a watchmaker perspective. So my understanding and my own research is that earth is actually a timepiece. We're actually living in a timepiece. So the way I learn is through observation, experimentation, and then evaluation. And those are the key main components of the way I learn. Most people, and as myself, we was taught through interpretation. So if I asked you something, you would just basically spill off, or I would spill off and just say something that I read from a book or someone told me or that was passed down. But we're gonna experience through something that you can experience and do yourself. Observation, experimentation, and evaluation. And the most key component, the foundation of learning, is you have to be able to learn and teach like your 7-year-old child, okay? If you're not, you're just complicating things. So the first question is, can you feel the earth moving? And the answer is, I'm in the park in New York, Bryant Park. No, I cannot feel the earth moving. Okay. Second question is, can I see the sun moving? Yes. Period of the day is over here, another period of the day is over there, another period of the day is over there. Okay, so now we know that the sun is moving. Is the moon moving? Yes. You can see the period of the moon and the sun out sometimes at the same time. So it's actually moving. If you was living in what they call Alaska, which is considered the center of the earth, during the summer months, there is all sunlight. So you will actually see the sun rotating constantly over top of it. That's because the sun is moving like a record player, like a needle is moving on a record player. During the summer months, it moves closer to the center as it moves over top of the earth. And when the fall and the winter starts setting in, it starts moving back away. So that's why you have 2400 daylight and what they call Alaska, because it's closer to the center. Okay? So this is basically, it's not me telling you something, it's something you can go out and observe, look at. This is just coming from a perspective of a watchmaker of where we actually get our time from. So it's my job to understand the movement of the moon, the movement of the actual sun.